Filipinos are helpful. They are ready to help one another, especially in time of need. During natural calamities like typhoons, fire, earthquakes. They are on way ready to give help to victims of these calamities amidst this COVID-19, providing food and medical supplies to their frontliners, to the poor, including people with disabilities and the elderly, as well as daily wage earners in the information labor market. They strangely believe that they have to play their part during these extraordinary times to immediately help people who are in need.
Yan mga kananay, hindi po niya natapos kasi pinauwi na sila kanina. Ang sabi ng teacher nila is, by tomorrow na lang yung karugtong. Ayan. Tinry ko magbasa siya ulit kasi baka po pagbasahin, baka hindi na makabasa. Mas maganda po pina-practice para pagdating po niya sa school is marunong na po siya magbasa. Siyempre po talaga kailangan gano'n. At saka nga pala mga kananay, makwento ko lang. Kanina po, naabutan kami ng malakas na ulan sa school. Basang-basa po kami. Naligo kami sa ulan. Yan, kasi walang tricycle at wala pong masakyan. Kaya, basang-basa po, lahat po kami, basa kami, pati yung anak ko, basa siya, mga kananay.
At mukha po pala kaming basang sisiw.
Yan, mukha daw po kaming basang sisiw. Alam niyo mga kananay, pagka ganyan po talagang tagulan, mahirap po talaga. Kasi po medyo mahirap pag uwian ng mga estudyante. Tapos kanina siksigan pa, ayaw mo papasok po sa school. Kasi mga bata, umuulan na. Ang lakas ng ulan kanina. Bye-bye!